What's up, you guys? Guess what? I'm going to London next week, the UK. Y'all like my accent, period, because the UK, or not. But I ordered a bunch of clothes from Fashion Nova, and I'm going to do a try-on haul today. I've never done a try-on haul a day in my life, but I really need you guys to rate my outfits 1 to 10. Y'all know Europe is the fashion capital, so I can't be out there looking crazy. So I got a few two-piece sets, a lot of denim, and a little thing or two. So I need you guys to rate my outfits 1 through 10. I'm about to get this try on haul started. Also in the comments, can y'all let me know like if I did a good job with this Fashion Nova try on haul, because I've never done a try on haul ever in my life. So I'm just trying to give you guys a little bit of different content on my YouTube. So let's get started. Okay, y'all, so this is my first outfit that I wanted to try on. I saw this on one of the models on fashionnova.com. I am a denim fiend. Like, I love denim. Like, I'm from Houston, like Beyonce, baby. And denim is just, I just feel like denim never goes out. So I have this denim two-piece set. It also comes with a jacket. Bye, y'all. And I have my little Spanx on just so that I can keep it right and keep it tight. You can get these at Fashion Nova as well, but I'm going to try this on and y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all, this outfit is so freaking cute. Like, it's giving like Fashion Week New York for real, and it looks really, really expensive. Another thing that I do like about this outfit, I know I haven't buttoned this up, but y'all get the picture. I guess I can go ahead and just button like one button, because I have a bunch of things that I need to try on, so I don't want to be struggling to take these damn buttons, out. I'll just button this one. Alright, so this is the outfit. What I was saying was, what I like about these jeans is that they're non-stretch. I feel like a lot of times, like, when people put stretch in jeans, it makes them look cheaper, because it's like I don't feel like denim is like necessarily supposed to be stretchy. I also like how this pocket flap matches like the inside of the jeans. Like, whoever designed this was genius. It's so cute, and I would probably throw it on with a pair of heels, or yeah, this is definitely a heel outfit because this is giving like denim tuxedo. So I feel like if I were to put on sneakers with this, it would be way too tomboyish. But y'all, this outfit is really giving. Okay, I'll come a little closer so y'all can see a little bit of the details, but it's so cute. Love it. I would probably also swap this black undershirt with like a white one or no shirt at all, just to give a little we bringing sexy back tip, period. But yeah, I love denim, so this is probably outfit number 1, day 1. It's so cute, like, and it feels and looks really, really expensive. So let me get up out of this one. I'm gonna go to outfit number 2. Okay, y'all, I'm back with my second Fashion Nova outfit. You guessed it, it's another denim something or other, but I'm gonna start off with the jeans. Y'all, cargo jeans are it, baby. This is doing, if you wear cargo jeans, it's doing a thing. You can wear cargo jeans with sneakers, you can wear them with heels, and I just feel like they add, like I said, like, it's like street luxury. Like, I feel like that's what that's what I'm gonna brand my clothing style, street luxury. And I feel like Fashion Nova has a bunch of street luxury clothes. It's like, clothes that you could just wear to any occasion, for real. So I'm gonna put these jeans on for y'all. Get up in these. These are another pair that don't have really much stretch to them. And I like that because I be feeling like stretchy jeans be looking kind of cheap. And y'all, these Spanx though, they really holding everything in, okay? So, okay. So let me button these. A little zip. Okay, so these are the Nikki non-stretch acid wash cargo jeans. Y'all, I be knowing before I even be reading, okay? These are non-stretch, but look how cool these jeans are. Like, they're cargo. They also have holes at the bottom. I'm a little short, so I'm gonna step on my step stool so y'all can see the whole thing. I'm short, y'all. So this is what the bottom of the jeans look like. I'm still short. But they're just really, really cute and cool. And so I'm gonna pair these jeans with this graphic tee, and it says support day drinking, because when I go out to London, that's all I'm gonna be doing is drinking. Not all I'm gonna be doing, but I love day drinking. And it's like a cute little top, very simple. And I also like that it's just, it's like basic, like 2 colors. I love emerald green, and y'all can think I'm capping, but let me show y'all how much I love emerald green. Green is the color of money and color of luck, okay? So I have my support day drinking shirt. I feel like it could show like a little smidget of midriff. That would make it really cute. Let me put my pockets in so I don't be looking like crazy. My mom used to always get on to me about not pushing my pockets in. Push your pockets in, okay? Don't just be out here looking buggy. Put the pockets in, okay? So I'm gonna pair this with this. I call this like a baby tee because it's like short and tight. So I'm gonna pair these jeans with this baby tee and the perfect shoes, period. Y'all see how the shoes match the shirt? The shoes match the shirt, okay? So I'm gonna pair this outfit with those shoes. And I feel like this is just like a cute little outfit, like to go day drinking in, go to a bar. If you have to run like a cute little errand or have like a cute little lunch or brunch with your friend, I feel like this would be a great outfit to wear. This is the bag. The bike. I love non-stretch jeans. Like, I don't know why, I just do. But so this is outfit number 2, you guys. Don't forget to rate my outfits. Like, would you wear this? Would you not wear this? Do y'all like how I paired it with the shoes? Like, freaking genius. I'll be back with outfit number 3. Okay, y'all, so when y'all are traveling, right, what do you consider the most important outfit for traveling? Dun, 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 dun. The freaking airport outfit. What are you gonna wear to the airport? This is what you get on the plane with. This is what you get off the plane with. I am super, super into being comfortable, okay? Comfort is really, really big for me. And I got a 2-piece set from Fashion Nova that is super comfortable, and I'm gonna show y'all what it's giving, okay? So I got this 2-piece set. It says Brooklyn on the shorts and on the top. The reason that I like people think it's so crazy, like you'll go to LA, right, and you'll see people that have shorts and a hoodie on. I feel like that's genius, okay? I also have this Brooklyn top because it's like most of the time you're cold on the top and hot on the bottom. And this outfit, it feels like fleece. The material's fleece, but it's so soft and so comfy, okay? Like, what? And it's so cute. Swagged out for the airport. Matchy. Has a pocket here for my phone. And it's just so comfortable. It's like you don't have to be too hot, because I feel like sometimes when you have like a full hoodie and full sweats, like you start to feel like overwhelmed because there's so many people on the plane. But like this, I got my shorts, I have my half top, and it matches. Like, one thing that I love about 2-piece sets is like you don't even have to worry about it. Like, have y'all ever bought an outfit from Fashion Nova and you're like on the website for hours because you could only find pants, and then you're trying to find a shirt to match the pants? You ain't gotta worry about that with 2-piece sets. This comes in the package together, baby. So this is what I will be wearing to the airport. So yeah, this is super cute, super comfy. Brooklyn 2-piece set. They have other cities as well if you're not, messing with BK. Okay, you guys, so usually when I'm packing for a trip, I pack in like, okay, what do I sleep in? Then what am I gonna do when I wake up? Then what if I work out? Like, I do that for every day. So don't ever forget to pack some pajamas, okay? I know a lot of you guys sleep with no clothes on, but when I go, well, I usually sleep with no clothes on in my house, but when I go on trips, I make sure to sleep with something on those hotel beds, okay? So, of course, I had to bring me a little muumuu. Y'all know I love my muumuus, okay? If y'all follow my TikTok, y'all know I love my muumuus. I had to bring me a little sleep/night shirt from Fashion Nova. It says perfection, and like I've been so into these this year. It's literally the most comfortable thing you can wear to sleep. I walk around the house in these, do my dishes and chores in these, and it's literally just like I said earlier, like I'm super into comfort. So I'm gonna try it on for y'all. Period. It's not giving granny either, okay? It's giving moo moo. It's giving new moo moo, okay? It's not giving granny moo moo. But yeah, this is my perfection sleep shirt. This is what I will be sleeping in for my trip. I have a couple of more, but there's no need for me to show you guys all of them unless y'all want to see, okay? But this is my sleep shirt. I'll show you the back. It's super comfortable. Long enough to, like, if I need to run down to the lobby and get a snack or something, I don't have to put on like a whole outfit to do it. Maybe just some underclothes. But I love these little shirts. They have like a million of them on fashionnova.com. But we have reached the end of my try on haul. Guys, let me know if y'all like this type of content. Like, I would love to give you all like the day in the life, but it's just like I don't want to give it to y'all if y'all ain't gonna watch it, okay? So if you guys like this type of content for me, please leave it in the comments. I will have all of the items that I wore in this YouTube haul listed under the video in the description box. Yeah, you guys, so y'all wish me safe travels to London town, and I'll see you guys next time.